Tired of Leonardo AI interrupting your creative flow with the dreaded, "That's a wrap" message? Let's unlock uninterrupted creation. The "That's a wrap" usually signals depleted generation. Credits the most common culprit is simply running out of daily tokens. Always keep a close watch on your available credits displayed prominently on the Leonardo AI dashboard, remember. Each image generation, especially at higher resolutions or with advanced features, consumes these valuable tokens. To extend your generation sessions, let's fine-tune your settings for initial concepts. Consider using a slightly lower resolution. You can always upscale your best results later. Be judicious with the complexity of your prompts, and especially your negative prompts. As more intricate instructions can increase computational demand, experimenting with the guidance scale can also yield savings, with lower values generally requiring fewer credits. Beyond optimizing settings, a mindful generation strategy is crucial. Avoid mass generation if your credit balance is low. Instead, generate a small batch. Review your results, refine your prompt based on what you see, and then proceed with another controlled generation. This iterative approach ensures you maximize the value of each credit and avoid premature interruptions. Explore Leonardo AI's advanced features and alternative models. Some models are inherently more efficient if you have larger projects. Strategically schedule your generation tasks throughout the day or week to manage credit depletion. By mastering these techniques and staying aware of your resource usage, you can banish the "that's a wrap" error and maintain your creative momentum.